Do you have an error with the Dfshim.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore your system stability. To begin the walkthrough for Dfshim module, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This DLL file is the ClickOnce Deployment Support library. It is responsible for launching and updating applications deployed via Microsoft's ClickOnce technology, ensuring they run in the appropriate .NET runtime. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The Dfshim.dll is distributed with Microsoft.NET Framework and should not be downloaded separately. Reinstall the official Microsoft.NET Framework package to restore this dependency correctly. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Dfshim module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install the Dfshim.dll, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for the Dfshim module. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved your the Dfshim module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.